The world is changing, and with it, the stability of our food supply. Grocery prices are soaring, and the future feels uncertain for many. This isn't just about saving money, it's about securing your family's survival. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 powerhouse crops that can sustain you when traditional food sources become unreliable or unaffordable. These aren't just garden staples, they are lifelines, chosen for their caloric density, nutritional value, ease of growth, and storage potential. Mastering these crops is a crucial step towards true food security and self-reliance. First on our list are potatoes, the ultimate survival crop. They are incredibly calorie-dense, providing essential energy to keep you going. Potatoes are also packed with vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, making them a nutritional cornerstone. They are relatively easy to grow in various climates and soil types. Crucially, potatoes store exceptionally well for months in cool, dark conditions, ensuring a long-term food source. Their versatility in cooking also makes them a valuable asset in any survival pantry. Next up, we have sweet potatoes, a nutritional powerhouse that often outperforms their white counterparts. They offer a high caloric yield and are rich in vitamins A and C, manganese, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are vital for maintaining health and energy. Sweet potatoes thrive in warmer climates and are remarkably resilient. Like regular potatoes, they boast excellent storage capabilities, lasting for several months if cured properly. Their natural sweetness also makes them a versatile and enjoyable food source. Dry beans are an absolute must-have for food security. They are an incredible source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. This makes them a complete and balanced food, especially when combined with grains. Beans are relatively easy to grow, and, as legumes, they actually improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Once harvested and dried, they can be stored almost indefinitely, providing a reliable protein source for years. Their long shelf life is a key advantage. Winter squash varieties, such as butternut, acorn, and spaghetti squash, are indispensable for long-term food storage. They are rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and fiber, contributing significantly to overall health. These nutrients are crucial during times of scarcity. These hardy plants produce large, nutrient-dense fruits that can be stored for many months, often through the entire winter, without refrigeration. Their thick skins protect the flesh, making them ideal for off-grid storage. Winter squash offers both calories and vital vitamins. Dent corn, also known as field corn, is a high-calorie staple that can be ground into flour or meal. It provides substantial energy and is a foundational crop for many cultures. This type of corn is distinct from sweet corn, being grown specifically for its dry kernels. It grows vigorously and produces a high yield per plant. Once dried, dent corn stores exceptionally well, making it perfect for long-term food preparedness. Its versatility allows for various uses, from cornbread to animal feed, if needed. Cabbage is an often underestimated survival crop due to its incredible hardiness and nutritional value. It is packed with vitamins C and K, fiber, and various antioxidants. These nutrients support immunity and overall well-being. Cabbage can withstand colder temperatures and can be harvested late into the season. Its dense heads store well in cool conditions, and it can also be fermented into sauerkraut, extending its shelf life for months or even years. This fermentation process also boosts its nutritional benefits. Finally, we have kale and collard greens, 2 incredibly resilient and nutrient-dense leafy greens. They are absolute powerhouses of vitamins A, C, and K, along with calcium and iron. These greens provide essential micronutrients, often lacking in survival diets. Both kale and collards are remarkably cold-hardy, often surviving light frosts and even improving in flavor after a chill. They can provide a continuous harvest over many months, offering fresh greens when other plants have long since withered. Their sustained yield is invaluable. These 7 crops represent a robust foundation for food security, offering a blend of calories, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are chosen for their resilience, ease of growth, and exceptional storage capabilities. Integrating them into your garden is a proactive step towards self-reliance. Starting small and learning to grow even a few of these crops can make a significant difference in your preparedness. Don't wait for prices to explode further. Begin cultivating your own food security today. Your future self will thank you.